Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, 8 sign. This is November weekly reading from November 2nd to November 8th. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Libra, 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Maybe you're dealing with Taurus. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Virgo, maybe you're dealing with. So under the deck, Page of Wands. The Devil, maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. The Fool, Page of Cups, and King of Cups. I think someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. And for someone is coming back with an apology here. Yeah, text communication is coming. And you want to be in this energy. You want to take leap of faith here. Because right now you're feeling stuck or you have some fears. You want to be free from this energy. You want to be free from fears. You want to be free from stuckness, whatever. You want to be in the full energy. And Page of Wands. I think for some you both have age difference here and someone wants to communicate with you. This person could be a player always in and out of your life, and one person is very good looking in this connection. So let's see our reading. Recent past, the Moon, Five of Wands, and the Hierophant. Definitely marriage is involved in this connection. Maybe marriage is on your mind here in recent past. Lot of drama is going. Maybe inner conflict is going. Yeah, for some, there are some arguments, there are some fightings between you and your person. Maybe they are hiding something from you. You came to know recently about that regarding marriage. For some, third party is also involved in this relationship. Then present Four of Pentacles, the Sun, and Three of Swords. For some, kids also involved in this relationship. You are holding back here because right now you are heartbroken. Definitely there is breakup between you and your person, or a lot of issues going right now between you and your person, Libra. You want to focus on yourself because the Sun is here. You want to focus on your inner happiness because right now you are in a very sad situation or in a very difficult situation right now. That's why you want to heal from this energy. Then future Six of Pentacles, the Hermit, and Knight of Pentacles. I think there is some help is coming in your way. Someone wants to help you in your finances or help you to come out of this energy. Someone is helping you here. And for some, you are isolating from all and taking care of yourself because you are just feeling alone. That's why you want some space now. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely you're working on your finances. You will achieving financial stability here. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life to offer this. And for some, a past person is returning for reconciliation here. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Leo. So Libra, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. Definitely you're dealing with Leo, lots of you. So they are thinking about you in a very positive way. Yes. And for some, they're thinking about to take action here. So let's see their current feelings and intentions towards you. Libra, your person current feelings and intentions towards you. So let's see their intentions also. Very stubborn energy. I want clarification card for Emperor. And I want clarification card for Three of Wands. Under the deck, 10 of swords, knight of swords, 6 of pentacles and 2 of pentacles. So they are juggling here. Maybe they're juggling between you and their career, you and their family, or they are balancing. They are trying to balance things in their life. And I think there is no equal give and take in this relationship, but now they're thinking about equal give and take, and they're rushing to communicate with you. Definitely your person is also in a very difficult situation right now. They also want rebirth in this relationship, but lot of issues involved here because their current feelings: queen of pentacles, queen of wands, and three of cups. Three of cups is clarified by five of cups, seven of swords, and chariot. So here definitely a lot of trust issues involved. Someone is sneaking this relationship. According to me, it's your person. Maybe it's recently you came to know about this person. That's why you are heartbroken. Now they are feeling missing you. Now they are suffering in silence. Now they are coming towards you, but they are in slow moving energy, and they're going to make a move towards you because queen of wands, they're ready to make a move towards you, and lots of you definitely third party involved here. So their intentions: emperor, three of swords and six of swords. Emperor is clarified by knight of pentacles, eight of swords, and six of wands. Your person is a stubborn, and maybe they have ego issue, but they're coming to you, but they're in slow moving energy because right now they're feeling stuck here. Their ego is stopping them, but finally they're going to be they're ready to make a move towards you, and they're feeling heartbroken. Definitely they're missing you a lot. You're both missing each other a lot. Now they're realizing you both. Now they're realizing their mistake, and they want to fix things with you. Six of swords, and for some traveling is also involved. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Yeah, they do love you. Maybe they are waiting for their time. Wheel of fortune, divine timing. They are waiting for their time here. Yeah, they want to leave behind everything which had happened between you and your person. They want a fresh new start with you. Yeah, they're ready to offer new beginnings. Maybe one person is walked away. According to me, it's you. If they walked away, they have regrets now. You are on your power. You're taking control of the situation here, Libra. Yes, you, the person, walked away. Who walked away here. And 10 of Pentacles, definitely you're focusing on your money, you're focusing on your career. There will be a financial stability. You are becoming like a very strong person. Yes, you started listening to your intuition and trusting your intuition. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person, Libra. Yeah, Ace of Wands with Queen of Pentacles, Seven of Cups with High Priestess, Seven of Swords. Again, trust issues involved here. Three of Pentacles and Two of Swords. I think they're coming to offer reconciliation, but I think you still are at some crossroads because they broke your trust in past. That's why you are taking your time here. You're doing your own thing, but now they are coming back for second chances. They want passionate new beginnings with you, but you are doing your own thing, Libra. And because you still have a lot of confusions, you still, maybe for some you have options here. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. I want you back. Religious factors and marriage. So maybe religious factors affecting your love life. Definitely marriage is also involved in this relationship. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Libra. Communication is key. New moon in Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. And a new romantic cycle it begins. Maybe, especially when new moon in Libra, maybe you're dealing with Libra here. Nothing is at set in stone, mutable moon. For some, definitely you are doing your own thing. you're not giving any attention to this person. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.